my name is Dillard, and I'll be teaching you geometry linear equations. So we have here our coordinates that we're going to plot on the scatter plot, and I already added them, as you can see. So that's our first step, and the second step is to connect the dots. And by doing this, we can find that there's a shape that's being made, and this one just happens to be a triangle, because it's one of the trickier ones. So then we need to find out the height. We need to label the height and the base. So the one that follows along the x-axis is the base, so I'm going to label that. The one that's along the y-axis is going to be the height, so I'll label that. Next we need to find the distance between this point on the base axis, on the x-axis, and that point. So this will be our base, and by doing that we use this, but since it takes too much time and this is already in like 1 unit squares, I can just explain that this is 1 unit, so that's 1. So next we need to find the height by doing the same thing, but the way to determine the height is by finding out, from going to the highest point of the y-axis to the lowest point where the y-axis intersects with the bottom axis, x-axis, excuse me. So, and by doing that we can see it's 2, so 1 and 2. And we can find out the rest of it in step 2, next video. So, which is b height, base times height, and you can find that in the next video.